musime na mkero mwanza dana kwetara kantukanje umwenu wakatunga Doja Your Excellency evale mtwano shanu Kamwine achindetera mweno kono bawafera chu I would take it Angela to do transport she would have to transport can you get it amanyambuna no mtekrona twaraka antukia tuma kina kwata no biyante sente zo bombe bisho mara community kina zikwata I'm talking about positioning yourself at I'm the most trusted but I disabna ta ina own system that's garambata on the family. You think on the edge I ask for God's grace to guide me. You get it? Na chiha positioning yourself take kujira kubazo meet to arijira mwa take the words. It could meant them. Focus yourself. Position yourself. You are in the right place, in the right party. In the right party. Hati mtu ametelizova no mundo wa evabeti. You are positioning yourselves. Don't get lost. Don't be deceived. Don't be taken by wind. Mumanya perobro. Berabatobro. Banjirabati yo muyaga kudulo wige shunga mjirabta. Obro buma. So kwara gmehizo muyaga kutaptwarana. Okazon shunga. Shunga mumanya manimo bahata basetu obro mbreba cho. Ijo tumanya kwero kajiboti mo omuyaga kutwara shunga obro mbuzakai. Obro ndahoje. So, para measure wind, remain firm of good position, etaku blowing a wind at Waron west, Shungan West Yoko residue. One is remain in one position about picking the much. Yenda kende, imamweva requija, no which is the way to be talked to as movement generation to sustainability plan yitu ni I'm about to retire. Who is going to replace me? Very good. We need replacement, all of us who are here. We need replacement for members of parliament, even the president.